it's General Cleaning Day, and guess what? I just turned 7 months old, so now I'm all grown up. Mommy has started the big cleanup mission. She's removing my cozy bed and all my beloved toys. Even my trusty pee pad has to go. My playpen gets a thorough cleaning once a week to make sure my space is spick and span. Mommy uses a Swiffer mop to ensure there's no trace of pee-pee on the mat, and every nook and cranny must be wiped squeaky clean. The best part, my playpen smells as fresh and clean as a daisy. As for my pee pads, we're trying out these super absorbent potty pads from Kocho. They're not just absorbent, they're super aesthetic and fits perfectly in my playpen. On the other side, there's my new memory foam bed, but Mommy's in a pickle. She can't decide which one to choose, this fluffy bed or this firmer one. What do you think? To keep me cozy in the chilly weather, Mommy added a blankie. My toy collection is still going strong, including the llama, my Koonie buddies, 3 textured bones, an alternative for Mommy's hair, my favorite new baby bear toy, it's so adorable, and welcoming the Spidey to the family, which is perfect for Halloween. Now my playpen setup is complete. I adore my little animal family that keeps me company. Even though I have a lot of toy friends, I still love Baby Bear the best. Ooh, this new pee pad feels so fancy. It's much thicker than my usual ones with 6 layers of carbon that banish those stinky odors and swiftly soak up my pee so it doesn't come back to haunt my paws. I'm head over paws in love with this new setup. Thank you, Mommy, for taking such good care of me. You're the absolute bestest.